Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect APIs to Bubble. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Bubble account, and after that you have to go to your editing page, and simply after that go to plugins, click on add plugins, and now here search for API. So here you can see API connector. So simply install it, and after that click on done. So now after that just go to website rapidapi.com. If you don't have account, simply you have to click on sign up. So now here you can see we have installed the plugins API. Now how you can connect, simply just go to Rapid API and register yourself. So now simply what you need to do next, you can simply type your username here, email here and password here to sign up. Currently I have my Google account, so simply I will sign up through Google. So you can also your Facebook and GIT Hub account. Simply just click on Google, and after that when you click on Google you will move to the next section. So here you have to sign into your Google account, and this will redirect you to the Rapid API website. So just go here and wait for a few seconds. Our account is being created here. So just type your full name here, and after that type your organization name here and just select here, click on done, and after that when you click on done you will move to next section. So simply here you can see in order to add API you have to go to plugins and install plugins. Now here you can also add another API. So simply what you need to do, just again go here. So simply create your organization here. Simply type the organization email here. So just simply type the email and developer, and you can also select this your role and organization. So simply select here 0 to 50, and after that click on confirm and continue. So now here after that you have to search for the fitness calculator for API. So simply you can search directly from Google and move to this page. After that here you can see that there are multiple codes, and here you can see the codes available and request Rapid API app and everything available here. So simply just you have to click here and add a new app, and here you can add the app name. After that just here you can see rapidapi.com. So now we will go back to this, and here we will click on add another API. So simply just you have to type the new API name here, and after that non or self handle. So simply here you can select the option private key in header. So just again go and type the simply name here, or you can also use the custom name. So simply type the name here, Rapid API key, and after that when you select this, so key name, authorization key value, simply just go back here, and here you can see the key value. So simply just copy it from here and just go back and paste the key here. So now we have pasted the key, So here you can also add the development key value if you want in addition. Now again go back and here add a share header. So simply just you have to go here and select this one and just go back and just simply paste it here. So here you can also add the value if you want. Then here you can see add the share parameters. So simply you can also go back and first of all add share parameters, just select here. So now if you want to enter the value, simply just you have to paste this value here and just copy it and just paste the value here. And now here you can see add a shared parameter. So simply just add these and just go back and here you can see just copy it and just paste it here. And now here in the key section go back and just copy it. Now go back and just paste it here. Now again click on add a share parameter, simply copy this value, go here and just paste the value here. Now again simply go to key, just copy it here, go again and just paste it here. So now after that click on add a share parameter, just simply go there, copy the value and just paste it here. So if they are missed, so simply you can again paste the all other values are added here. So simply just go back and paste the key here. So now after here the API call, simply you will click on add another call. So in the API call you can set the BMI, and now here in the get it's already selected, so simply just you have to copy and paste it here. So finally we have added the API key. Now here we will click to initialize call. So simply after that just go back to designer page. So now here search for groups, and after that here what you need to do if you want to change the appearance of group here, so simply just you can see type of content here. You can also add the data source. So we have type API get data from external API provider. So I already added the API, so simply just go back to the designer page. So now here you can see here what kind of action do you want to apply. So simply just select the action and here just select the API and here you will API provider. So simply just edit it here. After that just close this section and now go back to designer page. So finally you have understand that how you can connect it. So now after that if you want to remove it, simply just what you need to do, you have to go to the plugins, and now after that just you can see uninstall this plugin option is available. So simply when you click here the plugin is uninstalled. So now if you again want to add the API key and connect it to Bubble, so simply what you need to do first, then you have to again to add API and simply you have to install the plugin, click on done, and here you have to again add the values. So just keep in mind that when you go to Rapid API, simply search for fitness calculator, and after that you will be able to connect API to Bubble. So simply the values and everything that you will copy it from here. So just keep in mind that you have to copy it with full commas. So just keep this thing in mind. And here you have also set the values, it's according to your application. So just go back. So finally you understand how you can connect API to Bubble. So this is very easy method. Just follow all these steps to connect API to Bubble.